Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorial. In this video we'll be constructing a triangle from exercise 11.3, 11.1 and the third question. It says construct a triangle with sides 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeter, and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So what we see over here, compared to the previous triangle that we drew in the previous video, here the numerator is greater than the denominator, which means the new triangle that we are asked to draw, okay, will be greater than the first triangle. Okay, so if we draw a triangle like this, which is whose sides are given, that would be this would be 5 centimeters, this would be 7 centimeters, this 6 centimeters, then the new side, okay, will be greater. So it will be something like going to see something like this. Okay, it will come out like this. And what it means by 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides is, like, let's say this side is 5. Okay, 7 by 5 would be something like this. So 5 cancels and the new side would be 7 centimeters. So giving you an example of what it means by 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. That will be the side of the new triangle. So first let us begin by constructing the first triangle whose sides have been given as 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 7 centimeters. Give it a name like A, let this be A, B and C, and the new one let it be A dash and C dash, because it's extension of C and this will be extension of A. So first we'll draw 7 centimeters. Now because it's going to be a big triangle, so we'll start at the center because we do not know how big it will be. I will draw it somewhere over here. So this would be 7 centimeters. Okay, and we'll give it a name BC out here. And now we'll construct AB 5 centimeters and AC 6 centimeters with the help of a protractor. Take 5 centimeters. Okay, keep the pointer on 5. Yeah. And I'll construct an arc this way. Now I'll measure 6 centimeters. At 6 centimeters. I'll keep the pointer at C and I'll construct an arc in such a way it cuts the first arc this way. Now wherever the two arcs meet or intersect, that will be our A. And I'll draw a line from connecting A to B this way and A to C. Okay, so now we've got our triangle ABC. Next we have to draw the other triangle that is similar to this triangle, but 7 by 5 times of this particular triangle. What I'll do is, once again, I'll draw a big line over here and an acute angle. This way. So this will form an acute angle over here. With the help of a protractor, I'll cut this line into 7 parts having the same measurement. Okay, this way. That's the first one, and using the same measurement I'll cut another one, then another one, and in this way I will cut 7 of them this way. Okay, now since we are given over here this is 7 by 5, so which means from the fifth cut, it is 1 2 3 4 5. From here, this time we will look to join this to C. Okay, this way. Here. Okay, now usually what happens is whatever is in the denominator, the number, now in this case in the denominator over here the number was 5, and we look to join whatever the number is in the denominator, that number we look to join over here, and that's what we have done. So then what happens to the 7? For that we'll have to extend, we'll have to draw another line from here parallel to this line. Okay, so we'll have to extend this BC such to C dash. So what I'll do is I'll just extend it a little bit more. This way. Okay, I've just extended it, and I'll give these markings, this arcs as names. So B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. So now what we need to do is draw a line that is parallel to B5C from B7. So it should come something like this here, over here. So that we do the way we have done it previously as well. We take a marking from B5, this, and that same marking we'll take from B7, like this. Then we measure this arc out here, okay, and use that measurement over here to cut from here. Okay, now where these two arcs intersect, mark that point. Okay, and from B7 we'll draw a line that extends up to this line, or extends up to this line. So from B7 we'll have to draw a line passing through this point and meeting at this line, and that line should be parallel to B5C. Here. Okay, so now we'll call this as C dash. This B7C dash is parallel to B5C. Now we have to draw another line, okay, that is parallel to AC to get our new triangle. So for that, what I'll do is I'll just extend this AB further. This way. And let's look to construct a line parallel to AC. Once again, take the measurement from here. Okay, and I'll do the same from here, like this, and then I'll measure this particular sector. Okay, you'll see the measurement. Sorry. and I'll keep this pointer over here and I'll cut this arc this way. Now mark the point where the two arcs intersect, and I'll draw over here, and I'll draw a line from C dash passing through this point and meeting this extension AB, so that we get A dash somewhere over here. Go like this, and we'll name this as A dash. So now you see we have got a new triangle, that is A dash B C dash, and this A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC. It is all, this bigger triangle is also 7 by 5 times bigger than this triangle ABC. So the sides of the triangle A dash B C dash is 7 by 5 times greater than ABC. Okay, for the justification of that, we can say over here we'll using BPT. Okay, so just a justification over here. So by BPT we can say that B7 upon B5 is equal to BC dash upon BC. Okay, and we know that B7 is made up of 7 parts and B5 is made up of 5, so that should be equal to BC dash upon BC. So now we know this side BC dash is 7.5 times BC. Similarly, we can say BC dash upon BC is equal to BA dash upon BA, and also equal to, you can say, CA dash upon CA. Well, because this is a triangle, since you can say triangle A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC. So BC dash upon BC we know is 7 upon 5. So that is equal to BA dash upon BA, which is equal to CA dash upon CA. So we know that the new triangle that is formed, okay, this one is 7 by 5 times the smaller triangle, or the first triangle, that is ABC. This is the construction of triangle whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, so if you have liked watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.